We're just out here fishing with a little pocket rod and a piece of worm at the creek. So far it's been a pretty good morning. Caught at least 5 fish. Nothing yet, you guys. It's been pretty quiet now. You're bored? Wheeling reels? Sorry about that, man. Sorry about that, man. We haven't caught no action yet. It's been pretty quiet now for the past 20 minutes.
One day later.
Oh my goodness, we had one on there, you guys, but he was so small I didn't even feel him. That's the self-release, I guess. All right, we're gonna put another piece of worm on here. Car guy, you're the best. Me and Car guy been out here fishing since the morning. I want to say at least 8 in the morning, 9 in the morning. We've been out here slaying. Oh, we caught one. We caught one. We caught one, you guys. We caught one. Let's go. Told you guys, me and Car guy, we've been out here slaying them. We've been out here slaying them. Another little pretty sunfish going in the water. All right, guys, we're gonna try to use that same piece of worm. That's what I'm talking about, Car guy. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. We caught one. We caught another one. We caught another one. Let's go. Check that out. Check that out, Car guy. Caught another one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Another little sunfish. He going in. All right, you guys, we're still gonna use that same piece of worm. See if we can catch a third fish using the same piece of worm. We're gonna make another cast in the same spot. And we're just doing a little of this, a little twitchy twitchy. And then bring it back in. A little twitchy twitchy. Bringing it back in. A little twitchy twitchy. Back in. Twitchy twitchy. Back in. All right, we're gonna cast it out there again. Whatcha? Oh, we caught a fish on. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Spoke too soon. All right, you guys, we're gonna put another piece of worm on there. If you're just now joining in, what is up, you guys? We're out here at the creek, we're fishing. So far, we've caught creek chubs, sunfish, and brim. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I know we can do it because you guys are the best. Ain't no questions about it. We got a bite, we got a bite. Freaking bug just went inside my nose. He took my worm, you guys. He took my worm. We're gonna put this last piece of worm on there. Nice little piece. Going in. We had one on there, you guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna put a piece of cricket on there now. We got our cricket on there now. About to make a cast. Did I take my cricket? Yep, they took my cricket. All right, we're gonna rig up once again with the cricket. Walla cricket. Walla cricket. We got our cricket right here. We're gonna stick them right through the middle. Boom, like so. Rigged them up. In the water you go. We caught one, you guys. We caught one. We caught one. Oh, it's a pretty fish too. You guys hear my drag? Let's go. Oh, dude, look. Is that a firecracker? Dang. Dang. Get the hook out this guy real quick. Give me my hook back, man. Give me my hook back. Hold on. Gotta bring him up close and personal. Had to bring him up close and personal. Check that little guy out. Next fish is for Lil Dookie. Yes, sir. Check that out. Should we keep him? I might keep him. I'm gonna bash his head real quick. All right, you guys, I think we're just gonna keep 3 fish. Homemade stringer. Going in. All right, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the fish we've caught so far. We got one right there. We got another one right there. And then we got one more right there. And we're just out here in this little creek. We're just fishing right here, this little stretch of the creek. And it goes on for miles and miles. And we live right over there. All right, you guys, we're just gonna put another piece of cricket on there so we can catch another one. Next fish is gonna be for my homie Lil Dookie. Lil Dookie 420. Sorry about that, we were reconnecting. We are in the middle of the woods. We got our cricket on there. We got our cricket on there now. Now we're just gonna make another cast. All right, you guys, we're casting it out. What is going on? Oh, they're cutting the grass. I was like, I ain't no way they're gonna be over here riding dirt bikes. He just took my head. That little fish. That was a nice fine fish. I don't know what kind of fish it was, but a little strong fish. Another piece of cricket on there. There are a bunch of bait stealers, a bunch of bait stealing fish out here, you guys. We got another cricket on there. Oh no, I just lost the fish.
Jacob wanted to go back, but he was afraid of his brother Esau. He thought Esau would still be angry with him. But Jacob obeyed God. He and his family packed up everything they owned. Jacob sent servants ahead to offer gifts to Esau.